Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have m minus 5 cubed equals to minus 125. So now first we rewrite this equation as we have this m minus 5 cubed and we move this minus 125 in the left hand side and it will becomes plus 125 equals to 0. So in the next step, we again write this equation as m minus 5 cubed plus we write this 125 as 5 cubed and this whole equals to 0. So now here we use the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So now we use this nice formula to the above term, and our above term will be written as, because here we have m minus 5 be the value of a and 5 be the value of b. So we just substitute these two values in this formula and we write it as a plus b. So our a is m minus 5 plus b is 5 into a square. So our a is m minus 5 square minus ab. So our a is m minus 5 and b is only 5 and plus b square. So our b is 5 square and this whole equals to 0. So in the next step, you see here this is negative and positive term are gone and we get this m, and here we have m minus 5 whole square. So now we use the nice square identity here, and we know that a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2 times of a into b, and we multiply this 5 to both of these terms and we get minus 5m plus 25, and this 5 square equals to plus 25 and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we need some simplifications and we write it as m square and plus 5 square is 25 and this 5 to the 10 and it will becomes minus 10m, and this is minus 5m. So this is 25 plus 25 becomes 50 and this whole equals to 0. So in the next step, we sum up the terms. So we add or separate the like terms and we have m square and this is minus 10m minus 5m equals to minus 15m, and 25 plus 50 equals to 75 and this whole equation equals to 0. So now in the next step, we convert this equation in two cases. So our first case is we write m equals to 0. So this is the first solution or first root of the given equation. And in second case, we need to take this quadratic equation equals to 0 and we write m square minus 15m plus 75 equals to 0. So now we solve this quadratic equation. So that first we write the coefficients of this equation, and the coefficients of this equation are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 15 and c equals to 75. And our quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. So we need to substitute the values of A, B and C in this formula and we write it as here we have minus B and the value of B is minus 15 and plus minus square root of b square. So our b is minus 15 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 75 divided by 2 times of a. So our a is 1. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have this minus times of minus becomes plus 15 plus minus. We know that The square of 15 equals to 225, and 75 times of 4 equals to minus 300, and its whole square root divided by 2. So here we just add or subtract the like terms, and we get 15 plus minus square root of 225 minus 300 equals to minus 75, and this whole divided by 2. So now we again rewrite this equation as m equals to 15 plus minus, we have 75, and we write it as 25 times of 3 is 75, and you see here we have the negative sign inside the square root, so it is equals to iota, and this whole divided by 2. So now we rewrite this equation as 15 plus minus, we know that the square root of 25 equals to 5, and square root of 3 is written as square root of 3 times iota, and this whole divided by 2. So we get our m equals to 15 plus minus 5 times of square root of 3 iota, and this whole divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and its third root are m equals to 0. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting and interesting videos. Thank you so much.